Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. I just want to say, Alex Jr. ko, kiss me good morning, mahal ko, Alex Jr. ko. I will proceed now on talking about 7-year black magic. When I think of previous day, may camera video about today, they is putting it on sadness, heart pain, illness. Then they is on my right eye. The effect of it on myself is they is putting heart pain, illness on myself. That is how it is when it comes to previous day camera video of myself. I feel chest pain today. So meaning to say, it is such as I say it, truthfulness of that of what I say, and then the right eye and the use of black magic is putting me heart pain, illness, chest pain about the previous day. And then when I am looking on my memory during high school year 2008 to year 2012, the habit, it does not stop on looking on my mind. She pops up and then she knows that uh, she is watching of my mind. And then when I say she is watching on my mind, suddenly my thinking process is she is looking on my panaginip. Next Thursday. June. I am on June, month of June. Month of June is myself on at. I already say it after the uh, courtship, June 4, June 14, June 14, June 12, June 14 to June 30, Alex Jr. ko and myself that starts to talk. Starts to talk about bonding during high school. So during year 2017, this day, January 31, 2025, what I am talking is June 2017. So this is myself when it comes onto during year 2017. So during year 2017, after that courtship, me and Alex Jr. ko is talking. I'm looking onto that. Because I am thinking. And then, The conversation of me and Alex Jr. ko is during uh, year 2010. It is year 2010. It is wait lang. When myself feels ache, it is in here. And then I feel dizzy. Need to talk. So, June 2017, June 14 to 30 is the courtship, and then I am now on July 2017. On July 2017, excuse me, I am Connie Ann. This is how I explain year 2017, because this year 2017 is a situation of mine that starts of Alex Jr. ko towards me. That is, in other words, uh, starts of arts. Yun, arts. Starts of arts. Of Alex Jr. ko. I need to say such this monthly so that to say about Alex Jr. ko, love life, and then nature. Those clingy, I'll talk. I am now on July 26, July 2017. On July year 2017, me and Alex and Tisa Jr. ko is talking about like I want you about insight. During year 2010, the insight of Alex Jr. ko is telling me about such as elements. Elements is fire, air, water, fire, air, water, fire, air, water, and then land, fire, air, water, land, such that, and then uh, my first encounter of Inchik is on book, political and governance. Alex Jr. says about the word fire, and then it is Inchik symbol. Only such that there is nothing other than says of Alex Jr. ko. The right eye at the moment is walang mukha mo. Talagang ayaw nilang tumigil. I am videoing myself. I say the truth. And then I not want to think about them. Talagang ginagawa nila akong ginagawa nila akong babaeng sinisira nila. Ay naon. Yeah, punyeta ka. I will talk. I will talk such this so that do not hear those person that talks. So I am now on July 2017. On July year 2017, myself is talking with Alex and Jemetisa Jr. ko during high school year. The portion of talking is such as the memory.